Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial we're going to learn how to create Gantt chart completely with the help of an AI. Okay, so AI technology is now penetrating through most of our digital products and whatever we do, services that we provide, tasks that we carry out. The AI is serving as a technical assistant that can do most of the work that we are doing currently. It is penetrating across fields, and right now it is into research. So Gantt charts are usually timeline representation of a particular project or procedure that a particular group can be able to comprehend the starting and ending point of given tasks accordingly. So it's very important for research or report writing during projects so that clients can be able to understand the milestones to be achieved within a particular time or within the time designated for those tasks. So in today we're going to generate the Gantt chart using two methods. The first is going to be with the help of our old friend, which is ChatGPT, and it's going to be completely free. You can generate it and you can download and use it. So let's start with the first option. Assuming I have this prompt, please provide a detailed timeline for my research project starting in May 2025 and finishing in April 2026. Please number each task. For each task, provide the start date and duration. Ensure that each task starts immediately after the previous one ends to maintain continuous workflow. Please do not specify specific end dates for each task. This is very important, but rather provide the duration in weeks. Okay, so this is the instruction and this is the prompt that we're going to use for now. I'm going to put this in the description of this video so you can have access to it as well. So let's see whether it's going to give us the detailed timeline representation of this particular research. Okay, so you can see for a total, it has a 52 weeks interval, and then the starting point, preliminary literature review, down to comprehensive literature review, research design, methodology, and so on. It has captured everything: data analysis, quantitative, draft research report, revisions, final draft preparations, and so on. You can see it has numbered the tasks as we have asked it to. So this is the first step, generating the detailed description or project timeline that we're interested. It has specified from May 2025 to April 2026. So the next thing is, would you like a Gantt chart version of this timeline? So if you like ChatGPT to generate the Gantt chart, you can just go ahead and say yes, generate the Gantt chart for me. So now you can give the details of how you want the Gantt chart to be. Use different coloration for each task and be as clear as possible. Okay, so you can provide any kind of detail that you want, and luckily for us it is going to generate with two responses, so we can now have to choose between the one that we like the most. So now it's generating the code that is going to give us this Gantt chart that we are after. So you can see it has actually given us the Gantt chart for the first option, and you can see it has given us the detail, and the fact that I asked it to use various coloration is what made it do something like this. But I think I kind of prefer this one because it's more detailed and everything is captured within the boxes that we have inside. So let's say I prefer this, and this is now going to be my Gantt chart. So it's very easy and you can download this and use for your content. They are now asking you, would you like this exported as a PDF or image file? So you can specify, let's say, as an image. Okay, so once you say as an image, it is going to give you the opportunity to now analyze, and then you can download it as a PNG. Okay, you can see right now it is ready. You can click and now you have your Gantt chart downloaded very easily and very direct. So this is the first option. This is the first method. This Gantt chart, it looks very nice, well prepared with the details in the boxes. And if you don't want this to be like this, you can also prompt it to remove the details and maybe make it shorter in terms of the text that is contained. But I think I'm happy with this because this is what I ask it, and I make it in weeks. If you want it to be in months, you can as well make it. So This is the first option, using ChatGPT to generate the Gantt chart. Now the second option is we're going to use an external tool that we can use to generate that. So the next thing we're going to use is, let me provide the next prompt. Provide a Python code for a Gantt chart using Plotly. Yeah, this is Plotly, using Plotly in Google Colab for the new project timeline above, like we've explained above, ensuring you follow the correct task order. So this is the next task, and it's going to give us a Python code that we can collect, and then we can use it to run it somewhere. So this is the Python code that we are after, and it is writing it directly for us. So all we need at the end of this is just to copy the code, go to Google Colab, and then we can be able to generate the Gantt chart. Okay, so you can see it has finished, and it has given us some notes. This code will run smoothly in Google Colab. You can scroll and zoom in the chart interactively. Each task has a unique color with labels ordered top to down as per sequence. Okay, so let's come over here and then copy this code, and let's go to Google Colab. So we can access Google Colab by just coming to your browser and just typing in Google Colab, just like so, and hit on enter. You can see it over here, the first option. Alternatively, you can go to collab.google.com and it will bring you over here. So you can go ahead and say open Colab. All right, so let's say we're here, and we can come to new notebook, and once you are here, you can come all the way to this point, and you can paste in the code that you've copied from ChatGPT. This is the Google Colab code that we've just copied. And once you paste in this, you can come all the way here and click on run. And then you can see down here that our chart has been created. This is the Gantt chart that we have asked it to, and it has generated it very, very nice and fantastically. Now, to download this, of course, you have to hover over the image, and then you can come over to the top here. You can see these icons appearing. You can come to the image. This is going to enable you to download as a PNG, and you can see with just one click I've downloaded it, and you can click to have a preview of what we have just created. So ladies and gentlemen, you can go ahead and play with this. Use either ChatGPT or the Google Colab method to generate your own Gantt chart for your next project, for your own research paper, or for your next tasks that you're giving to carry out within a defined period of time. So this concludes this simple tutorial about the use of an AI to generate Gantt chart for your project. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like if you do, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification buttons to keep enjoying videos like this. And I will see you in the next one.